G'day everybody, we're back with Mr. Chez Poulet with Chez Poulet Homestead, doing another video on this snowy, windy afternoon. Yes, that's the mascot, Chong. Here's all the girls, whee, flying at me. There's the man of the chicken coop, Mr. Stanley. Can you say hello, Stanley? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Come on, Stanley. There's Pikachu, his sidekick. We're just hanging out. Brought the birds some more food. Filled up their feeder. Preparing for the snowstorm tonight. 20 centimeters, 25 centimeters. Don't you fly at me. That's Cashew. She's all messed up now because I moved their old nesting boxes. So today I made these nesting boxes. They're made out of pine boards. 3 boxes. They're probably only going to nest in 1 box anyway, but you're kind of messed up there, aren't you? Okay, so is that in a bad spot? Here. I'll put it over here. There. Is that better? Here, jump up there. Here. Here, look, not at me. Over here. You want me to put you down? Here, come down here. Jump on top of the box. Jump down. There you go. Get down. Maybe it's better in the middle, more like that. It's kind of nice. It's freestanding, so I can. There. See, now they can get down. I guess I can't put it against the wall. Oh, they're going to get used to it. So I did that so I can move it around, so when I'm cleaning this chicken coop out, it's not just, well, you missed, Stanley. I can move it around and it's not going to be in the way. So I still got my tin can water heater. It's still working nicely. Nice and hot. Can't keep your hand there too long, but pretty warm. Water hasn't froze since I did it. You can see the water's right here now, so I'll change their water probably tomorrow. Tomorrow after the snowstorm. But I really like this design of nesting boxes. Now, I got my idea from watching Justin Rhodes' YouTube channel. I subscribe to his channel. He's a homesteader, and now he had some aluminum boxes that he put together. So it's a similar design. He has flaps in the front, but I know from experience that the birds will not use the flaps because I had a flap over the door, and they would not use it. So they would actually stay outside in the rain because they were too scared to come in. So. They're really curious anyway. Now, I don't know. Those are awful big hens for that little box, but it's a 12 by 12 box. That's what they make whenever you buy nesting pads. They're 12 by 12 or 13 by 13. Once they clue in, they'll get up on top of the. Yeah, see, the leghorn's going to do it. There, good girl. There, that's how you do it. Raven, you're not very smart. Coco, jump up top. I want to see them get inside it. I'm sure she'll sneak her way inside, and hopefully I have a bunch of eggs inside and not all over the floor tomorrow, but I'll take a video in the snowstorm and show you how they made out. Hopefully there's not too many drafts. There's a little bit of draft, but it's honestly not too bad. Just by the door and by that door there. You say hi, Stanley? He don't like coming around me too much. Okay? You get a little bit of frostbite on your comb. Your comb's woo! Holy jeez! Jumped straight up into the rafters. That was pretty cool. There, he showed you all how to do it. Your turn. That's Splash. Or Speckle, sorry, that's not a Splash. Splash is another one. That's Speckle. There's Frizzle next to too many damn chicken names. That's Cashew. There's Jess with her crooked tail over there. I'm gonna grab my bucket. Alright, you guys should be good in here now. And there's Chong, and there's Scully and Chubbs. Chubbs is getting pretty big. He's a Barrett Rock Silky. Quite the legs on him. He has like double toes. He has like 2 spurs. And he has his spurs upside down on his foot. His foot's all like deformed. And Scully, that's Scully here. He's doing much better. I've been putting Vicks. I've been putting Vicks on his beak, so he's not sneezing like he was. But he was sneezing like really bad and coughing, and I think since I changed the bedding, it's much better now. Mixed it with hay and wood chips, but I ordered 20 more bags of wood chips, so I got that coming from Fredericton. So whenever that arrives, I'll have lots of wood chips for my garden in the spring. Well, it probably won't be in the spring, I won't put that, but I'm going to start my own compost pile, so anyway. Alright, girls. I'm into the video. Say bye. And I don't know. He's starting to get jaws on you. I don't even know if you're a girl anymore. What do you guys think?